One of the themes of this equinox is sexuality and the blending of masculine and feminine energies. Blending our male and female aspects does not mean becoming no sex or androgynous of one sex. It means blending our male and female aspects so that we can process and utilize both energies in harmony for our highest and best good, so that you can be love and strong at the same time. So when your right brain says, I have this great idea, your left brain chimes in and says, and I know exactly how to make that happen. During this next clearing, the energy will be working with us to blend together your masculine and feminine energies into harmony. I would like you to focus on your power center, or the area between your solar plexus and your belly button. Imagine or invoke a figure 8, the infinity symbol, and loop it around the left side of your body and then the right side, the left side and the right side. We will be silent for a moment while the energy comes into your body, connects right there at the center point of the infinity symbol, and begins to loop and connect your masculine and feminine energies together in oneness. Focus on your power center. Imagine or invoke the infinity symbol. Take a deep breath in and let us begin. Now take your focus up to your brain and imagine or invoke the infinity symbol or the figure 8, looping around the left side of the brain and the right side of the brain, the left side of the brain and the right side of the brain. And the energy will now work on bringing the left and right brain together in harmony. The past and the present, past and the future collapsing into the present. And masculine and feminine energies blending together in oneness. Continue to breathe. Okay, good. I'm receiving a message that many of you are collapsing right now. You are collapsing old paradigms, old energies. You may be feeling them slipping off of you. You may be feeling webs being pulled from you, or just a sense or knowing that something is dropping away. And so what the energies would like to do is just a flush of your system to help you with that right now. So just place your focus on your crown, the top of your head, and just imagine that it's wide open and allowing the cleansing rays of the great central sun to come into your body, into your energy field, just to flush the system, helping everything that is collapsing and crumbling away to drop off the bottom of your feet, off the sides of your body, out of your mind, to be transmuted and changed into pure, loving light. Deep cleansing happening now.